Hi guys, this is Nataraj. Today we are going to discuss about AWS CodeCommit with TortoiseGit using SSH method. So we can briefly discuss about CodeCommit in these videos. Okay, well, AWS CodeCommit is a great service to work with your Git repository. Okay, so AWS provided highly available architecture and secure and fully managed for Git hosting, and you can repositories are completely private. Also, the AWS provided very low pricing for $0 if you have up to 5 users. Also, you will get unlimited repository, 15 GB of the space, and 10,000 requests per each month. And the extra space and request will be additional charges. So, for more information, I'll place it that pricing details in these videos. Okay. So initially, I am using HTTPS method with the username and the password, but the CodeCommit has some stringent method for handling the authentication, and I end up with the system that was unable to store my password and username. So that was the reason I decided to switch to SSH authentication. Okay, so before we start, make sure to install the Git and TortoiseGit package in your PC. Step 1, if you don't have AWS account, please sign up with AWS account. Step 2, so we need to create the new user account in IAMA service. So here I'm going to IAMA service. So once the page is loaded, the left hand side we need to click that user button, then click that add user. Please provide that user information here. Currently I'm choosing code user. You can view based on your request. Then make sure that enable the programmatical access. Next, so I am attaching the exiting policy to the user. So find that corresponding policies. Currently I am provided the full access to the user. Scroll down. Next, then create user. Now his user is created, so we need to download that access key and the security key in the safer place in our computer. So I'm downloaded. Now the user is created, so we'll be checked for next. Step 3, we need to generate the SSH key using puttigen. So I'm going to access the puttigen here. Click the puttigen. Here I am click that created. You can move the cursor over there. It will be faster. It will be generated. Okay. So once the key is generated, you give the command for identify purpose. I copy the key here. Also saving the private key and the public key to my PC. Now I have saved that both key. Associate the SSH key into the user. Please go back to IAMA service. Once the page is loaded, then you click the user. Previously we created the code user here, and click it. Then click that security credential. Scroll down. You will find that SSH key for AWS CodeCommit. Please click that uploaded SSH public key. So here we need to paste that SSH key content. Open that, but we already saved that all the information. Anyways, place all the things. Then upload the SSH public key. It will be show as active state. So now SSH key is ready. Step 5, we are going to create the new repository in CodeCommit service. Please go back to CodeCommit service here. please provide a repository name here and click that create repository button. Now repository is created. Please copy that SSH clone URL and paste it into Notepad. Note, see, whenever you're going to push or pull the code into that repository, it asking username. Okay, so I'm copying that username from IMA service and included in cloned URL. Okay, so now it won't ask the username for clone or pushing that commit. Okay, step 6. So we need to clone that repository from CodeCommit into your PC. So go back to your PC directory. You need to create the new directory here. So already I created a new directory. Then you click in anywhere you are in PC and then click that git clone. Then you paste that SSH cloned URL to the tab. Okay. Then this is the directory saving that code. Then choose that private key. Then okay. Now the repository is cloned from CodeCommit. Now it is completed successfully as expected. Okay. One more thing, before going to commit the code, we need to configure the email ID and username and go back to your CMD terminal. Okay, so I'm going to my directory. So then I'm already entered those information here in my notepad. Copy paste. This is my email ID. Then this is my username. Enter the information. So now, whenever I am committing any code, it will be showing my name. Okay, that was the reason I am entered those information. Now I created the new file under that directory. Any file you can create. I'm going to test. So I save that. Okay. Now click and git commit the master. Click it to commit the file. Now push the file into the master origin. Now file is pushed into that repository. Go back to repository. Click it code testing. Yeah, now it will be showing the test.file. So click it, that one. So it will be showing whatever I entered the information. Okay. One more thing. Go to the committer history. So it will be showing my name, author name, who will be committed. Okay, that's it actually. So this is a way to commit the code into that CodeCommit repository. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.